Welcome back to Market Pros. So here we got Bitcoin on the 8-hour on Bybit. So lower highs, lower lows. RSI trying to get out of the bearish control zone. We are above the signal line. We did have bullish divergence, but that's maybe already played out. We could possibly get a bounce up to the 21 at 38,883 region, maybe even 38,950. I mean, even we could even get a wick up to this purple box, but it would still be a lower high. Even if we come all the way up to the 50 on a wick, still would be a lower high. MACD looks like it's coming back up to maybe test the signal line, possibly cross it. Our negative momentum is decreasing. Vol is in the lower zone, pretty flat right now. It is the weekend. Let's go to the 4-hour. RSI above the bearish control zone now. We are below the neutral median line. We are above the signal line. MACD, it's either a test or a fresh cross to the upside, and it looks like we're trying to print a dark green bar as of now. We'll find out whether that turns red and it's just a retest. Ball is in the lower zone. All your moving averages have negative slopes. They are pretty fanned out. It looks like we're being held down by the 21 as of right now. So if we can break that 21, I think we come up to the purple box, at least. Let's go down to the 1-hour, then we'll talk about validation and invalidation levels. So your moving averages have negative slopes besides for the 21 and the 50, so the 100 and 200 have negative slopes. Your 21 and your 50 looks like they're trying to curl back up. You did pop above the 50 and came back down, found support on it. So let's find out whether you can come up to 38,858 region, which would basically line up with what we were talking about on the 8-hour 21. So in between 38,850 and 38,950 is what I'm looking at for at least some resistance. MACD, pretty fresh cross to the upside. Positive momentum is increasing pretty sharply. Vol is expanding from a dark blue print on this of the signal of very low volatility. Touch the bottom, prints that signal. Now it's expanding. Kind of jumbled my words right there. So yeah, validation to the upside. I mean, I wouldn't be bullish until we can get back above 40K. Bottom line. But I'm kind of leaning more bearish right now. Looks like we did have some sort of a BART here. Now it is the weekend, so beware of us just going sideways and then come Sunday evening cracking back down. I'm not saying that could happen. That's one option. Another option is that we come up here and at least test, one of these moving averages, possibly this purple box. And then we'd come back to it. If we break this purple box, we'll make another video, come back to it. So yeah, you are trying to get above this zero line. If that happens and the RSI gets into the bullish control zone, I would be short-term bullish, and I would think we would come up to the 200 and the purple box. I would also like to see the vol keep expanding. That's the bullish case. The bearish case is that we come down and break this 21 at basically 38K. If that happens, I do think we're going to break 37K the next time we test it, and then head down to 35. But that's, remember your validation and invalidation levels, because we don't know what the market's going to do. All we can do is put probabilities in our favor over time. So everybody stay nimble, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.